Batch 7B confirms 20 Cobras.
Verified. Intake successful.
The analysis is complete. We have a confirmed Grade A yield.
Probe sequence initiated on Unit 3.
Acknowledged. Vitals remain stable. PCR analysis commencing.
The spectrograph confirms the raw material's biochemical composition meets the rigorous specifications for the Serum formula.
Final calibration sequence verified. We are cleared for safe stimulation and Process A crude stock extraction.
Final checklist confirmed. All parameters optimal.
Safety interlocks verified. We are ready for the automated sequence.
Initiating extraction protocol.
Check the pressure on gauge 3.
Readings are stable. Cycle parameters confirmed.
Hundreds of ampoules containing the bright yellow venom powder are seamlessly transferred to the automated labeling station for final identification.
Stacking pattern looks good. Batch consolidated.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Structural integrity verified. Ready for cryotransfer.
The massive, heavily insulated door silently seals shut as heavy-duty mechanical bolts slide into place.
Here we see the automated retrieval of the Cobra Venom. This standardized raw material is essential for the next phase.
The sealed amber ampoules undergo controlled thawing, a crucial step ensuring the delicate peptide structure and final.
The reconstituted venom solution is pumped into a large liquid chromatography column. This system
The consistency on the C-11 is excellent.
Yes, the seals are holding perfectly.
The fully labeled vials move through a final quality gate where a laser etcher applies a unique, invisible.
The finished pallets of Cobra Ophthalmic Formula C-11 are staged neatly in a large, temperature-controlled warehouse bay.
Here in the lab, the Cobra Ophthalmic Formula C-11 is ready for application, representing a significant leap forward in eye care.
Look at the absorption peak here on the C-11.
It's exactly within the therapeutic window. The stability profile is excellent.
The active peptides in Cobra Ophthalmic Formula C-11 demonstrate remarkable stability, even under high-stress conditions. This compound is designed to specifically target the pain receptors in the eye. We anticipate significant relief with minimal side effects.
I've reviewed the chart and the C-11 documentation. The dosage is precise and the quality is assured.